Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol X, US Steel. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very impressive movement today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above the volume that is normally on it. So above average for sure. And now it brings about going into next week, where some of these newer levels of support at and where some of these newer levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $11. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 11, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from a bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way, yet highly effective to gauge the health of the move. That right there I'm defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, if the price can stay above 11, that would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% control the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as levels of resistance going forward, first key level is just simply where the party stopped today, and that was right up there at $11.50. If the price can push up through $11.50, then the next key level after that would be this gap close location from a few days ago, and that sits up there right around, we'll just round up and call it the $12 mark. So 11.50, 12, next couple of key battlegrounds going forward. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great movement today, great volume. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum next week. Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.